It's a story time with superhero JJ Many Talents. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful, amazing little girl named Superhero JJ. She was very intelligent and kind. She loved helping and taking care of others. And most importantly, she had many talents. Superhero JJ always dreamt of being a superhero, and she refers to herself as such. Welcome to Storytime with a superhero JJ Many Talents, the baker. Pat a cake, bake me a cake as fast as you can, sang superhero JJ. Mommy, let's bake a chocolate cake. We will pat it, roll it, mark it with a B, and put it in the oven to bake. Once the cake was ready, they both ate it happily. Wow, this cake is so delicious. Thank you, Mommy, for helping me. I love you so much. Welcome to Story Time with superhero JJ Many Talents. The teacher. My name is Teacher Superhero JJ. Let's say our ABCs and the days of the week. Please repeat after me. After Teacher Superhero JJ listened to her students, she beamed with excitement and approval. Good job, students! That was awesome! Please remember to do your homework every day. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.